guys, this is Miss D at D Special Things. I just wanted to share with you a product that I purchased because it's cute. The mini envelope punch board. This thing, it has to be about the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, yes, so I had to get it. It's the envelope punch board. It's a mini, and it actually punches lots. From a 1x1 envelope all the way up to a, let's see, 10.2 by 10.2. Yes, that big. But you could do that big envelope with this little punch board. How cute is that? Now, I bought it because, of course, I have the envelope punch board already. Let me see if I can find one. I got a couple of them. I think, no, it's not over there. It's over here. This is the regular envelope punch board. Look how little in comparison to that. It is that teeny. So if you were going to punch something, this one actually punches I think these things right here are wrong. They printed a good one. So I think it punches a 2x3 1/4. That's the smallest they punch. I'm sure you could punch one. That is, yeah, you can actually punch a 1x1 on this scoreboard. Yeah, but look how teeny, right? Okay, so the thing that I did not like about this punch board was the fact that these numbers on here are so teeny. I'm putting it up here. You have to squint. I have old eyes to see what your paper size should be or your score line. That's the problem I was having. You have to see, you can hardly see what your score line would be. So yeah, I just kind of squinted, found out what they were, and wrote them down. But let me show you the itty bitty teeny envelopes. I like them because I like everything teeny. Look how little that envelope is. Now, I have a bunch of templates for little itty bitty teeny envelopes, and then too, I also found out the technique where, and I think I did a video, and if I did, I'll put it in the description box or link it, where you can actually take this little envelope and without even using a little piece of paper this size, without even using anything, just place it in the paper and fold it, and yeah, okay, but that's neither here nor there. This was easy. These are the different sizes. How cute are these things? And I use cardstock on these, on this one and this one and this one, and it works okay. Like I said, here's the little board, and it has the little the measurements here on the side, and you actually line your paper up to where you want to punch it at, and then you score it, and you just keep flipping it. You only have to measure one time. I'm going to show you, but could you look at these little guys? Look at these little, I like them because I like teeny. My girlfriend told me about this punch board, and I was like, but why would I need it? But then, as I seen, I don't know whose video, I think it was Live Love Scrap. I saw her video, and I said, oh, that is too cute. And I ordered it. Okay. But anyway, I thought it was super, super cute. So, yeah. And she shows you quite a few of the sizes. I just did these 5 sizes here. And I am going to show you how easy it is. If you look on this these little guidelines here, it'll tell you for a 1x1 size card size, if you cut a 2x2 piece of paper and you score it at 1, then you should get that itty bitty teeny envelope. So I cut out a little piece of paper. I have some here, but this is cardstock. I found it easier to use just lightweight paper. And look, it comes with, how cute is that? It comes with its own score. Look at that. It's too teeny. Okay. And it's thick because the edges of it is thick. So does it make it hard to score? A little. So I'm going to show you. And why is it when you are doing something do you run into a problem with all your stuff that you had ready? I had a piece of paper sitting here, and here it is. Yes, I cut this to a 2x2 size, and in order to make this teeny envelope, if you put this in, and let me make sure you could see me. Let me zoom down just a little. Alright, you guys, let me hold this. Let me zoom down a little so you can see what I'm doing. I think the words behind me also probably doesn't help a whole lot. Let me do it just a little more. Okay, is that good? Alright, so if you take this and you line it up with the 1 inch, you punch it, and then you take your, and I'm using this because it's a little, it allows me to actually score it. I always start from the bottom, and I'll just hold my there and score it where it needs to be. And as you can see, that line is thick, but all you do is rotate. Okay, you rotate that line. You've measured already, so you don't have to keep measuring again. You could just line this little piece up, that little line right there. You line it up with the line that you scored, and you score it again. This is too cute, isn't it? I think so. I love this little scoreboard. It's so cute. Okay, and then you turn it around and you line it up. Yes, I may have, you could tell if you got it lined up right. And I can't see that well with this one because it's on colored paper, and I'm hoping you can see it. But you take it, and as you can see that line, you're going to line it up with that line. So I'm going to take it, let me make sure it's lined up, and I'm going to line it up with that line, make sure it's lined up, and it should fall on the 1 inch, so you'll know if you're in the right place. And then, oops, before I do that, let me score it again. I probably should have done this with and then fold it up, and I turn it and I line it up on that line again. And like I said, it should still fall on that 1 inch line, though you don't have to use it. And let me score it again. Score it on that line. And I like using this paper, like I said, I like using the lightweight, just regular paper, because it actually lines up perfectly. That doesn't look real neat, does it? Ooh, this is wonky. Look how wonky it is. But let's see if I could fix it. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, let's see if I could fix this. And yeah, but it's as easy as that. I know this was a total fail, wasn't it? But it's as easy as that. And once you start playing with it, and you actually get a little, yeah, it's wonky, but okay. And it's funny how this one came out wonky, but my other one, my first one, didn't. And you could actually punch the edge of it. You could punch all your edges if you want, and get that little, right there, that little nub right there. I got too much stuff on my desk, but let me go back out so you can see what it is I'm doing. Yeah, you have your little teeny envelope. Yes, so that is your envelope punch board. I love it because it's teeny and it makes teeny envelopes, and you could make all of these little teeny envelopes. You know what I'm finding too? It helps to use double-sided paper. If you have double-sided paper, that's what you call them. And you could make them any size that you want. Yes, and they are super, super cute. Alright, you guys, I purchased this for $14.99. I actually paid the regular price for it because I wanted it, okay? And yeah, I got it and I'm happy with it. And yeah, now I've satisfied that want, right? So yes, I'm going to see. I'm sure there's so much more you can make with this. And I'm going to keep a close eye on Bona, because when the envelope punch board came out, she came out with so many ideas. So I'm sure she's going to come out with some other great ideas. I wish my brain was working like that right now. But yeah, it's not. So there you are with the envelope, the mini envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. Love it. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.